Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at the THADO TKL Gaming Keyboard by GXTrust. So let's start by having a look at the various features listed on the box. We have here the compact design, which is obviously inherent with a TKL keyboard, which basically just means the numerical pad on the right hand side has been removed. Got sturdy metal backplate, gaming mode, which I don't actually know much about, but we'll check that out. The LED lighting, which we could see quite clearly on the front of the box. 12 multimedia function keys, anti-ghosting for more precise keystrokes, and a 1.8 meter braided cable. So let's have a look at the item itself. Okay, so as we can see here, got the raised keys, mechanical keyboard. I can feel the metal casing on it. Feels nice and sturdy thus far. Minimal noise on the keys. And first impressions are, feels decent quality. Now let's get a little bit of power going through it and have a look at the illumination on there. So hopefully that shows up nicely. You can see very clearly the various colours under there, running from green, orange, whole spectrum up to blue on the right. So I think what's probably best now is if I plug this in, use him for an extended period, see how it goes, and come back with my thoughts. And after a decent amount of everyday use, I'm happy to say this keyboard is actually really impressive. In lower light, the keys remain visible, as there's a subtle glow that kind of comes through on each of the characters so you can read it regardless of the light, but it's not particularly obvious in a well-lit office. The keyboard itself, it just feels nice to use, very tactile. You kind of get that feedback noise from a key being pressed, which is kind of more essential in gaming. And to be honest, I quite like it for my general typing and such too. It remains feeling sturdy, works just as you'd hope. The caps lock light is very easy to read when it's toggled on and off. Very easy to distinguish from the general glow it gets from the backlighting of the keyboard. So there's never any confusion on that front. And the gaming mode just means that once a game is active, any accidental presses of the start key won't go interrupting your gameplay. And to be honest, that's about all there is to see. I won't hesitate to keep this keyboard in my life even after the review. And yeah, genuinely very impressed. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.